The product sold as XRL Venom Pain Relief Bone Healing Cream currently has a 3.8 star rating from 62 reviews on Amazon. Some users claim it eases joint discomfort or muscle tension, but others say their pain remained unchanged or that the product caused mild tingling or skin sensitivity. One user review describes it as a creamy goodness but doesn't confirm lasting effects. The sample size of reviews is modest and mixed in tone. From the scientific side, B-venom therapy or apitherapy has been studied for musculoskeletal conditions like arthritis, showing some anti-inflammatory and analgesic effects in clinical settings, though safety and consistency are concerns. However, the difference between using purified injections in clinical trials versus a consumer topical cream is significant. Many beneficial effects may not translate to over-the-counter products. In fact, some experts warn that the concentration of active ingredients in these creams is often too low to provide meaningful results. A IC user also raised a warning. Positive reviews on Amazon could be fake. Additionally, per WebMD, B-venom can carry risks, especially allergic reactions, and is considered a potent allergen for some people. People with known allergies, asthma, or sensitive skin should avoid using it altogether. Also, the cream might interact with other topical medications or skin treatments, making it important to check with a healthcare provider first. Users should also be cautious about the source of the product, as counterfeit or unregulated creams may be sold online. It's important to follow the instructions carefully and avoid excessive application to reduce the risk of irritation. Pregnant or breastfeeding individuals should consult their doctor before use. Finally, results can vary widely from person to person, so temper your expectations. Given these mixed reviews, limited real-world evidence, and risk potential, it's not outright obviously a scam. There is a plausibility in the mechanism, and users do report some effect, but the evidence is weak. Claims may be exaggerated, and there is a real risk for allergic reactions. Use with caution and always do a patch test before applying widely. Happy staying safe.